Hello everyone, Hacker2988 here, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple of, of, of DieCasts from the Disney movie Pixar Cars. So the first diecast I have here is Vile Toopy. He's a very beautiful diecast. And he runs very smoothly. He even bounces a little bit. Okay, that is Vile Toopy. And the second diecast I have here is Rusty and Dusty. And Rusty and Dusty runs very smoothly. First, let's take a look at Rusty. Alright, and there's Rusty, and here is Dusty. Alright, and those are my diecasts from the Disney movie Pixar Cars. Oh, and I have two more diecasts to show you, and then that is it. The next one I have here, the next diecast I have here is Mr. the King, and he's also a beautiful diecast. He has a little chip right there, but that's alright. Alright, there's Mr. the King, and here's Mrs. the King. And that is Mrs. the King. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.